What's up, bag holders? Let's blow this main account real quick. Market was up pretty good today. Let's go down to the 1 hour and let's check our commodity. Silver hit the 30-hour side this morning, but it wasn't quite high enough for us to sell. We really need to break out above all this and get back into this gap. That's where our sale will be, but we're looking to buy the other three if it's set up right. And looks like everything's starting to run away. So we're good on that point. Back to the day. We need to check our swing trades to see if there's any sell orders we need to put in. Also, hell of a day on EBIX here. Remember, we've got a $5 put on. So it would have to totally crash. You know, what's that? 16, 17, 18%, somewhere in that range. So we're sitting pretty to collect that full premium for 10% profits for 1 week. So I'm real excited for that. And then we'll just go through here. The green ones mainly, but it was a green day. So good earnings. We like to see that. And we're just looking for this RSI to get close to 70. If you're watching it or had alerts and you could get out exactly when it hit the 70 or whatever, it would be a little different. But working a job, if it's close, I'll just put the order in. 56. That's a nice day for Stanley Black & Decker. I called that Skyworks the other day. That was a little embarrassing. I do all kinds of dumb stuff, so I guess I'm very used to it. I would almost set up again. But you can see as the market is rotating, what I think would be up. These other stocks are doing the same thing. They're rolling white with it. We got a lot of trades on, man. I'll be looking for that one to set up again. This one's pretty close too, so this one could set up again too. All right, the flips kind of take care of themselves. Our ALX trade did not fill. You can see it shows that it wicked underneath the close, but I never got filled. I had my order in the whole day. And, I guess down here was the close. Yeah, so you can see it never did hit down here, and that's where the order is. Obviously, it was a good setup. I'm not freaking out. I'm probably just going to hang out and see if it'll fill tomorrow. The spreads are really whippy on it, so I don't know exactly what's going on, but I'm trying to exercise a little bit of patience. And we've got a few days to lock in this dividend. So if it doesn't work out, you just don't get emotionally attached to the position and you just move on. I'll put order in for something else. It ain't no big deal. All right. We're a little low on cash flow. This one's 1 day away. Look at this. It's awful close. 161.32 over 77. That was awfully close. My favorite stock. But I don't have the FOMO on the trading account with it because it gets a lot of action in the investing account. So again, as a time save, you don't have to worry too much about the ones that are green, are red. I mean, it's possible you could have an entry on a red, but it's not that likely. I'm just glossing over these. That one could have been an entry like a week ago. Must have missed that one, or it's the point where I'm kind of out of cash. So I like to stay in flow of the markets. I always have money for stocks. It's because I get dividends every day. But if we see something good, we'll take it. I just can't resist it. And if nothing else, I really just want to showcase consistency. Even if you're not doing anything, you kind of walking the farm. You kind of know what's up. That one's close. I was like, when there's fear of stuff, I always like gravitating towards the commodities and stuff. That's steel. So this is a 63.26 over a 62.94. You can see them over here. So this is an entry. Awesome company. Oh, hell. All right. Throw this order in. And then we'll just call it because I need to start selling some stocks. We have a lot of positions. But remember, with the swing trade strategy, like we weren't looking for flips because the market was up, right? And but with the swing trade strategy, I don't mind buying on the market up day because I'm getting on the up train, the momentum. So, a little something for everybody. Didn't fill, but the order's in good till canceled. So 63.78. If we can get a little bit, we'll get a little bit. Bad earnings, but it's showing some strength. So we'll see. It's just a little better than a coin flip, but that's good enough to make tons of money. So yeah, down here on $5, and you can see the RSI poking up. Everything looking good. We got the buy signal on the ATR. I'm feeling pretty good about that one. So if that expires worthless, that'll be more money for the charity. Tomorrow is the last day of the month, so after tomorrow's close, I've got a little poster board in the kitchen hung up where I'm tracking the charity progress. I'm super excited to write the first month on there, even though it was only 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and it's higher than zero. So long way to go, but it's good to have big goals so that you take big action. So I hope this is helpful to you, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.